Hey all, in this video we are going to talk about how you'll be able to identify if your soundbar is properly providing the audio output, if it is decoding the audio, especially the lossless audio, the way you're supposed to hear. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm making this video. In my soundbar, which is Zebronics 9900, it will not display when I'm playing a true HD file or a DTS master audio track, and it will instead display as Dolby Atmos for a true HD file. It will also just display as DTS for a DTS master audio track. So how will I still know if it is working? Plex is here for the rescue. Plex does it. Plex will show you if your audio is getting decoded or if it is getting transcoded, and it is an easier fix in most of the AVRs and Blu-ray players. It will directly show, but because this is the first revision of the soundbar from Zebronics, I don't think they have figured out a fix for it as of now. So to show you, I'm just gonna play Dune. I already have a video up about this on setting up the Plex account and how to use it. So this is just to show you if the audio is getting decoded properly. As you can see, this file has a true HD 7.1, and once I start playing the movie, see my soundbar starts picking up Dolby Atmos. So this is a sign showing that the audio is playing as a Dolby Atmos file because it is a Atmos track on true HD. So how do I find it out? I'll just go to three dots here. I'll just go to playback info. It will show direct play. If it is showing direct play in your Plex, this means your audio is getting decoded directly by your soundbar. This can be your Blu-ray player or AVR, whatever the case. If it is, it is supposed to show as true HD, but unfortunately not in my particular model, but I'm still getting a lossless audio track. So I can also see this in Plex Media Server, which I'll also attach now. Now coming back to the point, so this is pretty much how you'll be able to find it. I'm going to play one more video file, which is a DTS master audio track. Now Oppenheimer has a master audio track, so if I click on this particular audio track, the moment it starts playing, my TV picks up as DTS. So I can again confirm this by going here, clicking on the playback info. It will show direct play. So the video, the audio are all direct play. This ensures you are getting a lossless audio experience regardless of what your soundbar is displaying. I'm sure Zebronics will fix this in the future, but as of now, this is the easiest way to find it. And again, it will show the same in Plex Media Server, which I'm just attaching. So can you get all these audio outputs from your, let's say, Plex Windows application? How do you do that? You need a Plex Windows application first installed, and once you have your Plex application installed, as you can see, I have my Plex application installed. I'll just go to my account settings here. I'm going to go to player. I'll have to click on exclusive audio. I'll have to select the audio device that I want to display from. I have to select the audio as HDMI. Now here are all the audio channels. You can select 5.1 or 7.1 based on your system, and you have to enable all these pass-through that you see, which is pass-through Dolby Digital, Digital Plus, DTS, DTS HD, Dolby True HD. And once you do that, you can then save your changes, and this will help you play a movie from your PC or your laptop with a proper lossless audio directly to your soundbar if you have a TV with eARC setup. So you need a TV with eARC, and the eARC port should be connected to your soundbar, and you can connect your PC or laptop to HDMI 1 or 2 and then directly play using Plex. One thing you have to realize is Plex is a streaming platform, so it will consume your internet and your network is required. So you need a network connection that is pretty good, I'd say at least 50 Mbps and above, to properly have a good playback experience. In my case, I have a 100 Mbps setup because most of the files I play are big, and you need a LAN connection for that. So I have connected it via LAN, but you can do a similar setup. Wi-Fi will also work as long as your file size doesn't exceed 60 Mbps or so, which is 60 gigabytes or so. That's pretty much it, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in another one.